Grated potatoes tossed with caramelized onions, garlic, an egg, and 2 cheeses, oven baked, crispy. Here's what happens when crispy meets oniony and cheesy. It's our easy French onion hash browns. Of course, this dish is going to be really tasty, but the kicker on this recipe, it's easy to make and you're going to be able to serve it for breakfast, lunch, brunch, or even dinner. Let's do this. Night before, you're going to transfer from freezer to fridge 1 22-ounce bag of hash brown shredded potatoes. Then the following day, when you're ready to make the dish, transfer the potatoes to a large bowl lined with a clean dish towel. Give it a squeeze to remove excess moisture, then transfer the potatoes to a large bowl. Now I need you to do 5 things. Number 1, crack 1 large egg in a small bowl, whisk, set the egg to the side. Number 2, we're gonna grate some cheese. 1 cup of nutty Swiss Gruyere and half a cup of an aged sharp cheddar. Once grated, toss the cheeses together, set them to the side. Number 3, we're taking a sweet onion, we're gonna cut it in half and then thinly slice. We're also taking 2 garlic cloves. They're gonna be finely minced. Number 4, you're going to need a large baking sheet. We're going to line it with parchment paper. And then number 5, preheat the oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. While that oven comes to temperature, we're going to saute the onions and garlic. Medium skillet on stovetop, moderate to low heat. When the pan comes to temp, hit it with 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Swirl in the pan to melt. Then add the onions and garlic. We're gonna toss to combine. Then, just do this. Sprinkle the skillet with half a teaspoon of sugar. Toss again. We're gonna continue to cook for 10 minutes. The onions will caramelize. You want them to brown slightly. They're gonna be perfectly soft. When they are, we're transferring the onions to the bowl with the shredded potato, but put that skillet back on the heat just for a second. Add 1 more tablespoon of oil and 1 more tablespoon of butter. When the butter melts, we're back to the bowl. Drizzle those fats into the bowl. We're gonna toss to combine the potatoes, onion, garlic, butter, and oil. Final step then is to add the egg. We're also gonna add about 1 cup of that cheese mix, reserve the balance to the side, do a sprinkle of black pepper, a little bit of kosher salt, toss gently to combine, then we're gonna transfer the mixture to the baking sheet. We're gonna spread it out evenly, just don't push down on it. We're gonna kind of lift and move it all the way to the edges of the pan. Final step, sprinkle with the remaining cheese, transfer to the oven. We're gonna bake until the potatoes are brown and they'll go golden. It'll take 35 minutes. Your kitchen is gonna smell really fantastic. Think about it, right? Sauteed onion and garlic and cooking potatoes with cheese. My mouth is watering, but let's continue. Then when it's out of the oven, I like to use a pizza cutter, cut the hash browns into squares, and then how to enjoy? Start of the day, how about some bacon? Fry up a couple of eggs. We're gonna slide a hash brown onto that plate. It's perfect, but remember, it's not just about breakfast. So if you've got a salad, a beautiful piece of cooked meat, add 1 square, make it 2 squares of hash browns. Add a dollop of sour cream and a little bit of chopped parsley. Amazing. You ready to try? I thought so. Full recipe is up at weekendatthecottage.com. When you're visiting our website, please subscribe to it. Look for this video on our dedicated YouTube channel. You can subscribe to it as well. And when you watch, drop us comments, give us a thumbs up. Then, once you make this dish, why not take a picture of it and post it on your favorite socials using hashtag weekendatthecottage on Pinterest, Instagram, and Facebook. French onion hash browns. No matter how you decide to enjoy them, crispy, cheesy, oniony, Frenchy on the way. Enjoy. It's like French onion soup, but with potatoes. Beauty.